Civic or Corolla? One of the biggest car debates, especially in markets like Pakistan. Today, we're comparing the Honda Civic and the Toyota Corolla to help you decide which one is best for you. Starting with design, the Civic offers a sporty, aggressive, and modern look, while the Corolla keeps things simple, elegant, and family-friendly. When it comes to performance, the Civic feels more powerful and quicker, delivering a smoother and more exciting driving experience, whereas the Corolla is known for its reliability and consistent performance over time. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Corolla clearly takes the lead, offering better mileage, which is a major factor for most buyers. Moving to the interior, the Civic provides a more premium and tech-focused cabin, while the Corolla focuses on comfort, practicality, and ease of use. For maintenance, the Corolla stands out with lower costs and easily available parts, while the Civic can be slightly more expensive to maintain. Resale value is another strong point for the Corolla, as it holds its value exceptionally well in the market. So, the final verdict is simple. If you want style, performance, and modern features, go for the Civic. But if you prefer fuel efficiency, reliability, and low maintenance, the Corolla is the better choice. Now tell me, which side are you on?